30 seconds! Here we go. 30 seconds.
Meridian, cloudy. 64.
Yep.
Mobile, Alabama, light rain.
Here we go. I think that's good reception.
Pensacola, Florida, light rain.
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Tone out!
Effective until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: George, Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River, and Stone, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There we go.
These are the 11 p.m. Central Standard. Mississippi until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and straight line wind damage were located near Macomb, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Macomb and Summit around 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado alert has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday for the following counties: Pike, Mississippi. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central St. John the Baptist Parish, southeastern Louisiana. Southeastern West Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana. Southern St. Helena, southeastern Louisiana. Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana. Southeastern Iberville Parish in southeastern Louisiana. Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana. Eastern East Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana. Northern Assumption Parish in until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Easleyville to near Livingston to near White Castle, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Source are indicated. Site entry. Locations and tactics include Baton Rouge, Hammond, Denham Springs, Gonzales, Donaldsonville, Plaquemine, Greensburg, Napoleonville, Amelia, Oklahoma Heights, St. Petersburg, Ponchatoula, Walker, Amite City, Emerson, Marshall, White Castle, Livingston, Independence, and Sorrento. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 150 and 197. Interstate 12 between mile markers 1 and 52. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 13 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash
It's going to hit
flooding.
2 minutes.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard.
Yep.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 12:38. Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television.
Here we go.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the forecast for
What the fuck?
Mississippi Gulf Coast, including Gulfport and Biloxi. Tornado watch 7 in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday.
Is it going to go?
Rest of tonight. Showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms late this evening. Then showers with a chance of...
Can I?
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Washington Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Waffle County in southern Mississippi, northwestern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 1:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kokomo to 8 miles south of Springfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Bogalusa, Mandeville, Covington, Franklinton, Ponchatoula, Avita Springs, Varnado, Madisonville, Folsom, Sun, Licumby, Enon, Crossroads, Robert, Bush, Dexter, Killian, Engie, and West Elk Pontchartrain Buoy. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 12 between mile markers 40 and 76. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 10 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Tornado watch number 7 remains in effect until 5 Tuesday night, mostly cloudy.
It's for me.
Highs in the lower
It's for me.
70s. Lows in the upper 50s.
SPR.
Winds The National southern Mississippi, Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:24 a.m. Central
Here we
Standard
go,
Time,
SPR.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sandy Hook to 6 miles east of Bush to near Lacombe, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Slidell, Picayune, Bay St. Louis, Waveland, Poplarville, Eaton Isle, Diamond Head, Pearl River, Kiln, Burlington, Lacombe, Shoreline Park, Stennis Space Center, Sault McNeil, and Slidell Airport. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 259 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 12 between mile markers 70 and 84. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 42. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Yeah, it will.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following. The National Weather Association
Main warning.
and Slidell Airport. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Breton Sound, Chandelier Sound, Lake Bourne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas, Mississippi Sound, until 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:46 a.m. Central Standard Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts was located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northwest of Waveland to 7 nautical miles southeast of Orleans Marina, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wyclawski, Biloxi, Waveland, Pass Christian, Ship Island, Lake Bourne, Chandelier Sound, Eaton Isle, Cat Island, Bay St. Louis, Mississippi Sound, Long Beach, Brigalese, Gulf Park Estates, Ocean Springs, and Gulfport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and the adjacent coastal waters. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in New Orleans